Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One Two Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can cancel your subscription of your Flow app. So guys, Flow is an app that tracks your period, which is free, but to unlock other benefits, you need to get a subscription. So if you've gotten a subscription and you want to cancel it, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is just go ahead and open the app first. And now just go ahead and tap on your profile, which you will probably find on the left top corner right here. And now you can see the option that says upgrade to premium. But guys, if you have the subscription, instead of upgrade to premium, you would see the option that says cancel the subscription. And instead of upgrade to premium, you would need to tap on cancel the subscription, and then Flow app will probably want you to write why you're canceling subscription. And guys, that's how you cancel the subscription on your Flow app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.